Hey guys, PenguinEsk here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, if I timed this right, it is the beginning of fall. Autumn, Maybon, whatever you want to call it. It is the beginning of that. It's the beginning of sweater weather. It's the beginning of spoopy vibes. It is the beginning of everything I love about, the fall. From the pumpkins and the sweater weather to the leaves turning yellow, orange, red-ish colors. They're great. Yes, if you didn't know, I really love the fall and just everything that comes with it. Halloween, like Thanksgiving, the sweater weather, because I wait all year round to wear my stockpile of sweaters and this is my time to shine. For this piece, I wanted to do fall vibes. So it is me holding a pumpkin. I wanted to just do some fall vibes and just get into the mood of like autumn and everything. And I love pumpkins, and I love pumpkin spice, but not from Starbucks because it's trash. I like it from Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts is obviously the superior of the the two food chains. I'm just saying, do not come for me. Back to the actual piece of art. For this piece, I wanted to do some watercolor because I haven't done watercolor in a while, and my dumbass bought really cheap watercolor paper and did it on that, and it was a struggle. I'm not gonna lie, I was having a lot of problems. But I persevered through. After I finished the piece, I went on to the internet, as we do, to see about this paper that I bought, which was like Artist Loft watercolor paper. I just thought it would be like nice for some doodles and all of that. I was lied to, and I found a video about it, and basically this paper is okay, but it absorbs the water super quickly, and on top of that, it leaves this weird granulation, and I know my paints don't do that. At least I don't think they do. Like, I know for a fact that my oranges don't granulate like that. But, yeah, that was just a problem that I had. Other than that, I feel like I did pretty well. I tried to stick with a color theme and the autumn color theme, so reds, oranges, and I added a beige in there because I didn't want to add more black than I initially needed, because I colored my hair a brown black, and if I did that I would have to do that to the pants too, and I was not feeling that. And I also did some color comps on my computer before I even started watercoloring. So I had an idea of what I wanted before I went in and actually, started painting. So as you can see, we have gotten super fall vibes because I went to Michael's and I bought this chain vine of maple leaves. I believe that's what it's called. And I bought a bunch of other stuff too, but I wanted to have some fall vibes in my videos while it is October and while in Inktober, and hopefully I am participating. I am going to participate, but hopefully like So the goal is to do a video every day, but we'll see about that. But yeah, I just wanted more fall vibes in my videos. I have a slightly new setup, so we'll see how everything goes. I wanted to mention that I also did this piece on stream, so you know, self-promo. Go follow me on Twitch because I've been streaming a lot as of late. I've been having super fun, and yeah. But I also wanted to bring up that I know you guys see these two different angles, and that's kind of why I brought it up, because there was probably like a penguin that flashed on screen. So basically that's my Twitch notification of when like new people follow. So yeah, I wanted to have like B-roll and other kinds of shots because I just wanted this piece to be interesting. I also wanted the video to be interesting. I hope you guys like it. It was really fun to film and like do. But here we are doing digital works on this piece because I wanted it to be a sweater and I wanted to have that texture of a sweater. So I ended up going in digitally instead of doing it traditionally because I didn't want to fuck anything up. And basically, I also forgot to say my materials, but I don't do that anyway. But for my line art, I used a polychromos pencil in like a purple shade, and then I used my Shanahan watercolors, and the program that I have edited my stuff in is Clip Studio Paint, if you wanted to know, because I feel like I need to start doing that now, but like I'm too lazy to put it in the description. But if you haven't already, please subscribe and become a fishy. We do artsy videos here every Friday. Yeah, subscribe. I hope you come back for more. Bye guys.